thongnibo hakte saklaimong tai logibo tongo chini press meet khlaithani chini honorable em borongona Rajesh Tripura te chini honorable MDC chini South Zone chairman borongona Rajesh Tripura te chini sports and youth affairs department ni chini principal officer borongona Amardeep Deborma Pulano sakle mutamai chini didi sa hapon ngai chini bobagram belekan hambai amake initiative ka ham nawai chini sikla sale no tidulman bagai te chini honorable CM honorable deputy CM te jot EM te jot chini MDC jot ni support by chini Tripura football league success klaiman ka te aboni final match nai 15 तारिख 15 तारिख ni duita tampro khumlung stadium bo thangjaknai thangnai rok ni bising dol ni wngkha chini Gumoti district ni team by chini West Zone borok batelene tai third position o tongrukha eba thangai kuplai ka third position bagai chini dolai okay jago china special guest nge phaimajak phainai chini Indian football team ni captain former captain Mr. Baijun Bhutia phai chini pandano mosani phainai taibo tongai chini hani bobagra Maharaja Sri Pradip Vikramaniko Deborma pobologi tongai te jotto chini Tripura Hasen Lukorokno khakaham te jotto chini thungkrung eba dolni chini players no hani khakaham borongni bagai chunti dedi sa hapon ngai khakaham yapar horo nar kaham kulungkai practice khlai final match narok taibo nong kurung kokno phunudi tai first prize tongnai chini kuplai rono 3 lakh tongnai second prize tongnai 1.5 lakh third prize tongnai 75,000 okay opanda phaimajak phagai hastini jotto chini thung hamjak tongnai chini jotto lukorokno khabai lamshago chunti dedi sa hapon ngai